Welcome to the grand launching of Sany Heavy Truck 3S Center, a grand celebration of innovation, strength, and the power of strategic partnership.
Opening of this second facility is a testament to their dedication, hard work, and trust they have earned from the customers and the partners alike.
Our promise is simple: reliability. We are committed to providing genuine parts and personal and professional service.
Saya akan suggestkan Sany ni disebabkan keselesaan dengan kabin dia yang luas, kompartmen dia yang selesa, and then kabin cockpit dia betul-betul selesa lah untuk driver dan passenger.
Our target is to shorten all of the downtimes to ensure they have a very good operations smooth.
We hope with the Sanys, with the Translink here, can give us a better choice for purchasing our equipment and support our transportation business.